Hello, my name is Jorrit Steinz'i. I'm currently the founder and CEO of channelengine.com. I've been in e-commerce for more than 16 years, developing different technology companies and helping hundreds of businesses like yours be successful in online sales. For those of you who don't know, channelengine.com is a software as a service platform that allows you to connect your company systems to all international marketplaces and sell profitably in an automated way. I look forward to meeting you all at the exclusive webinar of ECOM LEADERS CLUB by our partner WORLDEF Enterprises at the 22nd of April at 3:30 in the afternoon in order to talk about the effects of COVID-19 to the cross-border e-commerce in Europe. Ora da Jorrit.